Hi guys, this is Mike Naga and we have another dresser.
We paid a whopping $5 for the dresser marketplace a few days ago, and here it is. Not many issues. Missing handle here, missing the side on the trim. Luckily they found it. I was actually supposed to fabricate one myself, but they did, so tiny damages all around, nothing major. All the drawers work. This is literally the biggest piece that I have to fix. It's not solid wood completely, so that sucks. Tiny bit missing here. But yeah, we wanted to try some new color combos today, so if everything works out, we want to do stain on top and then everything else finished with baby blue. For the missing hardware, we don't have replacement, so we are probably going to move one of those down and then replace all the top ones, so they're gonna be above the trim line with round ones, just so it looks symmetrical, I guess. So you know the drill. We're gonna get it cleaned, fill the holes up, sand it down, and we'll see what's happening. Let's go. I just realized while cleaning that the front piece here, just on one side, is coming off a bit, so I'm gonna fix this one and this one at the same time. So I am met with unexpected resistance. Something I guess took water in here because this doesn't fit anymore. So I'm gonna take a chisel and trim it slightly and try again.
We just finished sanding. I wiped everything, and I'm pretty happy with how the top looks like. And yeah, that's ready to stain. I'm just gonna wipe the insides of the drawers and insides of the dresser as well, and we can stain and mask everything for painting. And that's all for today. Let's go. As I'm wiping the last drawer, I just realized this is a basset, so I didn't see this when we were picking this up, so top is masked off. The tape didn't want to stick on this wood and stain, so I went around with the polyurethane with a cloth. It did seem to help, but it didn't help as much as it did previously, so I don't know why, but I'm glad it sticks at least a little bit, so hopefully it will hold through all the layers of paint. Let's go.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video.
If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.
This is first time for us painting anything in light blue color. All we did previously was a couple of dark navy ones. so we have no idea what to expect, if it's gonna sell.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I like how I mixed the shade because I custom made this color, so yeah, I like it, but sometimes in specific lights I don't like it, so yeah, I'm curious to see if it's gonna sell fast or not. And yeah, it was pretty easy to work on this dresser. The hardest part was to sand the top because it was pretty difficult to get off the old finish off. But other than that, it was all smooth, so yeah, that's always nice.
Yeah, we paid whole $5 for this dresser, like I mentioned in the beginning. Materials were about 15-20. It took us around 6-7 hours to finish the whole dresser.
And we'll be posting it on Facebook Marketplace for $325, and we'll see how it goes.
Okay, thanks again for watching, and we're going to see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye!